The Features of Zen. This is a useful lecture for young people. Zen is not training for success. Steve Jobs, who founded Apple Corporation and died in 2011, was well known as a Zen believer. Many people know of his books and things. He famously said, however, many of his quotations, for example, stay hungry, stay foolish, or have a courage to follow your heart and intuition, are in fact Zen Buddhist teachings. The features of Zen are as follows. Be foolish. This seems like an unconventional virtue, but if we are never foolish, we cannot put our heart and soul into anything. We need to be foolish in order to concentrate on one thing. In other words, be pure. Cleaning comes first. Cleaning is first. Chanting is second, and Zazen is third. Most people would assume that Zazen is first. When one chef was asked what the key of good cooking, he said, to wash the pans. We should always clean in any job or situation. Zen words are like fingers we used to point to the moon. When you point to the moon and tell your friends to look up to it, if your friends look up the moon, your fingers is not near it anymore. Believe in yourself. Space physics is about investigating the laws of space. Zen is about rediscovering ourselves through self-inquiry. If we find a peaceful and tranquil place in our mind, it is a discovery that will lead to happiness. Dedication. Many people have had experience of walking in something through the night and didn't notice they had walked until dawn. That is their dedication. Zen was a concept that are distinct from other religions, especially this notion of dedication. These concepts ensure that Zen is useful in any world, from science to literature. Even the abbeys in Rome have been practicing the Zen honestly for any years. Zen is useful for anybody and any environment. Concentration. We must concentrate on only one thing. When doing the Zen, we only do the Zen. When cleaning rooms, we only clean. When eating meals, we only eat, giving thanks to all. If we experience difficulties in life, we should give thanks for things that we have. If we experience poverty, we can appreciate the taste of delicious food. After a hard day's work, we can appreciate a cup of tea. The way we appreciate these things always depends on our daily exertions. Thank you.